so.
Čo je? To je divné.
Is that a man or a bear?
I have no idea.
I mean, it's really hard to tell.
Tak nemám farbu žiadnu pre ňo. Tebe dalo len 17 centov a žiadne bedne? On to nemá dávať žiadne peniaze. To má dávať 5% depozitu a 3 free bedne. Tak ti možno automaticky otvorilo alebo niečo.
You know, every once in a while, some crazy story or a video goes viral, and it usually divides people. Each shocking story divides people. Some think that it's too crazy to be true, while others believe it. And about a week ago, a story of this kind shocked China.
So this zoo in eastern China is now facing accusations that their bears aren't bears at all. They are humans.
What? Is that a bear standing on its hind legs? Or is it a human wearing a bear costume?
I look at that video and I'm thinking to myself, I'm not so sure that's a bear.
People have been claiming that that's actually a person.
In a bear suit.
It's obviously a person.
Ten blázen nám išiel.
So I don't know if you knew this, but everything is digitalized in China. There's simply no cash. Nobody, not even in the villages, uses cash. There's this app called Alipay or WeChat, and you do all the payments and you also call a taxi on the app. If your phone dies, you're basically screwed here.
Does our taxi driver know that this is gonna be a 2-hour ride?
He doesn't.
Nedá prísť ľudí. Jebem ich.
Camera's still alive. Camera's still alive. A little charging break for the car. Also, the driver. Most of the cars here are electric.
Nie.
I went to pee right next to the road, and I stepped in a human.
Nie.
Very unusual country. I stepped in it with both feet. Who
Fúde.
next to the road?
To je debil. Nie to bol Neo alebo niečo.
Guys, do you think it's a bear or a man? I think it's a man. We've seen so many bizarre things. It's a man. It's a man.
Jožika, ďakujem, Dark River 68, ďakujem ti. Hanzo. Bude tam hovno alebo grska, keď bude na schodoch, bacha? No a čo?
Let's go to the zoo.
Čo je na to?
Are you kidding me?
To čo sú za prasata tam? V Číne. Najskôr vstúpim oboma nohami do hovna.
Can you put, hey man, aren't you hot in that suit? Into the translator?
嘿，伙计，你穿那套衣服不性感吗？
Okay.
Hey, Hochi,
Can I eat? Okay, thank you.
Bye, Sean.
Cucumber flavor. That's unusual.
Prečo by niekto chcel, kurva, zemiakové lupienky s príchuťou uhorky?
Welcome to the Hangzhou Zoo, a place that has reported a 40% increase in its visitors since the bear video got viral. Let's go. Let's find out where the truth lies. Where are humans in suits? That's a bear, right? To the right. Most people are going to the right, because everyone is interested in the bear. So what do you think? I think it's a man in a suit.
I think it's a man bear, half human, half bear.
I'm sure it's a bear. That's a very interesting choice. Whoever loses has to eat the worst food we can find in this region.
Počúvajte, už je ty kokot, protože musíme si vyhradiť jeden deň, už je to SLS skateboarding, už sú 2 diely.
A few days ago, the zoo made an official statement that the rumors about an actual human being in a bear suit are complete nonsense. They also added that this particular species of a bear, the sun bear from Malaysia, may have human-like movements sometimes, especially when they stand up or when they sit down. I guess we'll find out soon. We just need to find the bear. It's a pretty huge zoo and
Lucy,
we're a bit lost here.
Lucy, ďakujem za rysa, byť ďakujem veľmi pekný. Ramborinos, 27 mesácov.
Huh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. These are the bears. These are the viral bears. Now they just need to stand up. I don't think they're human. I don't really think so.
Čo je? To je divné.
I don't think he understands me.
This also happened during our night out when you were trying that with females. Same response. They just fled. All right, the $1 million shot. You can see that the hips sag around its body, so it kind of looks like a suit. All right, guys, what's the final say? Is it a human? Is it a bear? Or is it half human, half bear?
In my opinion, it's still half human,
Okay.
half bear.
It's safe to say that that animal was an actual animal. It's a bear. But at the same time, it's a great marketing strategy. You see 40% increase of visitors. I think that's a great proof how a viral video may affect your business. With that being said, Ludo, I think we lost and we should get ready and excited for the worst food of this region. I still don't know what that might be. We'll Google that and I'll see you at the restaurant.
I will see you at McDonald's.
No. Ladies and gentlemen, we have found it.
Čo to je?
Ludo, we're going to eat duck's head.
Fuj. To nebude jedzenie.
I'm just not really into food like this.
Who is? That's like with the eye, with the brain. How the hell do you eat this? Let's get this over with. Eric, do you want to try?
Next time.
Look what's inside.
Fuj, ty kokoni sú jemlí.
Are we supposed to eat the beak? Because it's so hard. No, that's
don't.
definitely not edible. It's a bit spicy. It's actually seasoned really well. That's the tongue. For a Westerner, it looks absolutely disgusting, but it actually doesn't taste that bad. The edible parts, I suppose they're edible. I hope they're edible. This is the eye. They told us we're supposed to eat the eye.
And this is the brain.
Fuj, oni sú jemlí mne.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Doesn't taste that bad, but it's the consistency and knowing what I eat that makes me want to throw up.
There are meaty parts that taste like duck. So many little bones. All right, I think I finished the duck's head.
There's 3 more.
No. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this episode and subscribe for more curiosity.
Fuj, ty kokot.